afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, seniors. Good afternoon, juniors. It has been 6 years that I left Haryana Vidya Mandir physically, not from here. I still remember my college got over 2 years back, and every single day when I used to drive to college, it's in Sector 5, I used to go just in front of school, and all the memories, like starting from my journey in HBM started in 1996, and I'm a 2009 pass out batch. The 13 years, awesome. Just one word, awesome. And we had lots of memories, like our senior said, my friend said, memories, if I start speaking, I won't just end. But I have something to say that when I was in school, the most fun part was I used to bunk the classes by going into teacher's staff room. I still remember before the class would end, I'd go to any teacher and say, "Ma'am, khataয় niye jete hobe?" And আমি staff room এ চলে যেতাম, and I used to be like there for another 10 minutes and say, "Ma'am, আর কিছু কাজ করতে হবে?" I used to come back to class. Now I have like 6 years have passed by, but I still don't have any fond memories of my college as I have for HBM. আরেকটা আমি বলতে চাই, আমি যখন রেজিস্ট্রেশন করাতে এসেছিলাম, সোহানা আমাকে বলল, তথাগত বি প্রিপেয়ার্ড, রিউনিয়নটা কিন্তু 14th হতে পারে, গার্লফ্রেন্ডকে বলে রাখো। I just said one thing to ma'am, HBM over girlfriend. Thank you.